I'm Cae Thomas. I'm an associate director at TRG. Eccentric, energy, that's two. You can have them both.
My go-to coffee order. It's normally a piccolo, but today I felt like I needed a short black. Give me that extra zip.
Can't live without my family. Can't live without my dog. Somewhere selling something. I think I was born for this game. Gavin Rubinstein. I'm joking, he's a good mate of mine, but he's definitely up there. Matt Steinwade's a good one. My first sale, I was 19 years old. I was working in the inner west market. I had a Hungarian Jewish boss that threw me in the deep end. She said, you just got to go for it. And I ended up selling a one-bedroom unit in Redfern for $323,000. I think price at the moment. Price is very unpredictable. So buyers will be like, that's worth this or that's worth that. But you know, when competition will create a premium, it's unpredictable what things will actually sell for. Unrealistic expectation is still very present in the market for some vendors in some areas. The job as an agent is to educate the buyers and educate the vendors, and then we can actually get a good understanding of value. Deals. Just thinking about plays, strategies, what can I do, what can't I do, that sort of thing, yeah.